Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today is March 3rd, 2026, and we will be going over the severe weather risk and who is going to get the most storms over the next few days, and a couple other things. So let's hop right into it. For Tuesday, we had a marginal risk today. This was primarily wind and hail, and it'll persist through the night. For Wednesday, we have a slight risk in southeast Oklahoma for wind, hail, and a tornado or two. This will take place all day tomorrow. For Thursday, we have another slight risk over western Oklahoma, southern Kansas, the Oklahoma-Texas Panhandle, and some of Nebraska. As of now, it looks like the timing will be late afternoon into the evening hours, and the primary threats are wind, hail, and maybe a spin up. On Friday, this is looking to be the most active day, as there's already an enhanced risk, although this could be upgraded to high, which as we get closer, which may be a 4 out of 5. The SPC notes that the atmosphere will be favorable for supercells that will produce hail, winds, and a couple of tornadoes. The area that this will happen will be from the Red River to eastern Kansas. This would likely be in a form of a line or a bow-like pattern. The timing for this event is projected to be the mid to late afternoon on Friday as we go into the nighttime periods. I will try and be live if it gets bad enough, which I likely will be. And after Saturday, we start to go into a more quiet period. For the next 2 days, this is what the radar could look like. As you can see, storms start up near Buffalo around 3 in the morning, making their way towards Ponca City before dispersing into a more like spotty shower and storm event. And on the morning hours of Wednesday in the northeast part of the state, we could see general rain and thunderstorms. As we enter the afternoon hours, though, this will all become a line of storms, and it'll move out of the state after that. Now, for the extended period, storms on Thursday will generally be, out west, like previously stated. Right here, and these would be supercell-like or mini supercells. You can see one large one up here north of Buffalo, and after that it's kind of finicky. Friday, you can't really tell exactly what's going to happen yet. We'll have to wait till that gets closer, but there will be another video on Friday at some point in time. And now for a newer model that I'm going to start using, which will be the Supercell Composite. This shows where a few areas where supercells will be possible over the next few days, like right here. You can see out there on Thursday, I believe it was, you can see 8, 7, 6 supercells in certain areas. But that's not accurate, but that's how many there could be in one spot. And then you can see right here 5 or 6 in this general blue area, which extends down to the Tulsa area. And after that, it gets pretty quiet. Another thing to note is CAPE. There will be a lot of CAPE. or convective available potential energy, also otherwise known as thunderstorm fuel. And if you watch it, you can see little surges. Like on Thursday, it'll show a surge right here. That was it. And then this is Friday. There's at some point in times there will be surges of up to 1,600 joules per kilogram, which are pretty high. So there's going to be plenty of thunderstorm fuel. There's going to be a lot of moisture, a lot of upper loft winds. This storm system is going to have a lot to work with, especially Friday. So stay weather aware that day. And make sure that you guys keep watch for a new video every day. Probably not every day. I might make another one on Thursday. We'll see how this turns out. And I appreciate you guys for watching the video. Please go check out my website that has all the information that you would probably need as like current. So please go check that out. That'll be in the link, or the link will be in the description. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and watch for updates.